All right, guys, check this out. This is my first time using these type of weird looking spatulas. In fact, I grabbed them, I got them, and I first had to ask my wife, I'm like, why do they have the contour of the shape right there? And my wife said, well, those are fish spatulas. And I said, oh, give me a couple, right? Because these are perfect for fish, actually burgers, all that kind of stuff. And it gives you two of them. One really long for that fish, and then one that I use for the burgers. So I use this guy right here for the burgers, this guy for the fish. So check this out. So when you actually stick it in here, it's gonna give you that shape. Let me show you kind of the difference. This is a little scoop like here. It's not as angled. So I can get under this burger a lot easier than this guy. And it's really thin and skinny to get under that burger right there. So we're ready to flip just like this. We can flip. And this spatula right here is perfect for burgers, perfect for fish. So burgers, fish, love the shape. If you don't own a pair of spatulas that have this angle right here, I just thought, oh, how unique is that? What the heck is that for? And then my wife told me, and I'm like, I gotta have them. I'll never go back to a spatula like this for cooking burgers or fish. These are my go-to spatulas for sure.